Hey guys, my name is Shez, and today I'm going to talk about my experience in dyeing my carpet from gray to black. Originally, I was going to take my car to an upholstery shop and have them replace everything, but I decided I wanted to keep everything original carpet. So this whole project cost under $125. It took me about 10 to 12 hours, 2 days. I'm pretty sure it would take other people a little bit quicker, but I didn't want to take any shortcuts and it was my first time. I used about 4 bottles of Rit. They're about $3.50. Also, you can use a regular Windex bottle or like an empty, spray bottle, but I went ahead and purchased a spray pump. It costs about $16. It just made my life much easier. Also, I would recommend, having a brush so you can brush the dye into the carpet. Wear socks. The first night I didn't wear socks and I had dye all over my feet. For sure, wear gloves because, it's gonna get everywhere.
I went ahead and tried to clean as much as I could with a wet rag, a little bit of Pine-Sol, just a little bit, obviously stay away from all the electrical stuff. Since the carpet was already out, I went on Amazon and I purchased some sound mat for like $60. I got 50 square feet. Also, you're gonna need this roller. It's like $5, but it really does help out. I was thinking about buying the packs, but you can just buy one of these and it'll do good. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the passenger side, and then we'll get to the dye. Now we are cleaning the mat as much as we can. Started dyeing the carpet, and just wanted to show you guys the difference between the black dye and my old color. Some of the dye went on this side. I tried my best to have them separated for comparison. It seems like it might not even need a second coat, but I'm still gonna do it. Just, I just want it black. This is day 2. I had one coat on the carpet of dye, like one layer, so I'm gonna go ahead and do another coat. What I have seen is I kind of like oversprayed and it's still wet on these sides right here. So this time what I'm gonna do is I'm going to just make sure I use this brush and just kind of move the dye around. That way it's just evenly spread. And I'm talking about these wet parts right here. So just, that's gonna be the first thing I've learned from this experience. But it looks pretty good. It's a pretty hot day, so hopefully this second layer that I put on, it will dry up so I can install it back tonight. All right, so we're back, and here is the headliner. The right dye was not the right dye for this headliner for sure. I went ahead and had my wife pick up this vinyl fabric. The carpet dried up pretty fast. It's pretty hot and humid in Texas, so there was no issue with that. As you see, I put the liner up too. Pretty soon I'll take some better pictures, but I'm glad I didn't get lazy and I took out that liner. It just looks so much cleaner. Yeah, let's get to the next step. Put these seats in. All right, here is the before and after. As you see, it looks like a brand new car.
For the viewers that are deciding to dye their carpet, I strongly suggest go for it. But just make sure you watch other people's videos and their experiences they've had. They might have other techniques and use other products so you can kind of compare. Thank you for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe.